Apple released its new iPad Pro M4 in an impressively thin and light design, taking portability and performance to the next level. Today, we'll be comparing this updated version with the previously released iPad Pro, and we'll be taking an in-depth look to see how they stack up against each other. So, this comparison will help you decide which iPad is the best fit for your needs. Let's start with the design and build quality. The iPad Pro M4 is now available in two models, 11-inch and 13-inch. Both models are designed to be the thinnest Apple products to date. The 11-inch model measured just 5.3 millimeters thin, while the 13-inch variant is 5.1 millimeters, yet both models felt just as well built as their previous models. Holding these tablets felt like holding the next generation of technology in our hands, as they weighed less than a pound. On the other hand, the previous 11-inch iPad Pro model had a thickness of 5.9 mm, while the 12.9-inch model was 6.4 mm thin. Both models had a sleek design that impressed us. Though they were not as thin as the M4 models, they still had a premium feel and solid build quality that we have come to expect from Apple products. Moving on to the displays, the iPad Pro M4 significantly raised the quality with its Ultra Retina XDR display. Featuring state-of-the-art tandem OLED technology, it combines two OLED panels to deliver phenomenal full-screen brightness. We were amazed by the incredible 1000 nits of brightness for SDR and HDR content, with a peak of 1600 nits for HDR. No other device in its class could match this level of maximum dynamic range. The previous iPad Pro, while not having the same tandem OLED technology, still offered an impressive display with its ProMotion adaptive 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 support, and a peak brightness of 600 nits. The colors were vibrant, and the viewing experience was top-notch, even if it couldn't quite match the great contrast and precision of the M4's Ultra Retina XDR display. When it comes to performance, both iPads were powerful in their own way, but the M4 chip inside the newer model took things to a whole more advanced level. Built on second-generation 3nm technology, the M4 delivered lightning-fast performance and incredible power efficiency. The company claims it's up to 1.5x faster CPU performance compared to the M2 chip in the 2023 model. The new GPU architecture with hardware-accelerated features like mesh shading and ray tracing made pro-rendering apps like Octane run up to 4 times faster than on the M2. The early iPad Pro was no weak point either, with its M1 and M2 chips allowing for smooth multitasking and handling demanding tasks with ease. However, the M4 in the newer model truly upgraded of what was possible on a tablet, which makes it an incredibly powerful device for AI and creative workflows. With such high-end technology, the iPad Pro M4 came with a premium price tag. The 11-inch model started at $999 for the Wi-Fi version and $1,199 for the Wi-Fi plus cellular model, while the 13-inch variant started at $1,299 and $1,499 respectively. While not exactly budget-friendly, these prices were in line with Apple's positioning of the iPad Pro as a professional-grade device. The previous generation iPad Pro, on the other hand, was slightly more affordable, with the 11-inch model starting at almost $799 and the 12.9-inch model at $1,099 for the Wi-Fi versions. The previous models were a more affordable way to get an iPad user experience. Everything considered, both the iPad Pro M4 and the 2023 iPad Pro were great devices that did what a tablet could do. The M4 model stands with its remarkable display, the best performance, and top-notch AI capabilities, which makes it the ultimate choice for professionals and creatives who demand the best of the best. However, the 2023 model still offered a fantastic overall impression, with its impressive display, powerful M1 and M2 chips, and more affordable price point. Ultimately, the choice between these two iPads came down to individual needs and budgets. For those seeking the high-end capabilities of a tablet, the iPad Pro M4 might be the best choice, but for those who prioritized value and still desired a quality device, the 2023 iPad Pro remained a nice option. Let us know if you have any further questions or would like to share your thoughts in the comments below.